Hey there, it's Leslie with Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and today I want to talk to you about making sugar flowers out of royal icing. So I'm using a tip 101 and I've pinched it with some pliers and made it so that it's straight across, and I'm using extremely stiff icing. I have a flower nail here and I'm just going to put a little dab of icing down and then a little piece of parchment paper on top. And I want to make my flowers to be about the size of the flower nail. So I'm just going to use the outside of the flower nail as my guide. And I'm going to be holding my bag almost flat against the flower nail. And I'm just going to go up and down and up and down and kind of wiggle the bag to make some unusual flower petal shapes so it's a little bit ruffled. And I'm just going to continue that all the way around on the outside. And then I'm going to make a second layer on the inside following the same process, but this time I'm going to tilt my bag just a little bit up, and I'm turning the flower wheel with one hand while kind of wiggling my bag in an up and down motion on the other side. Now, if you don't want all the ruffles in your flower petals, just touch your bag down and squeeze your icing and kind of make an upside down U, and then stop squeezing and start a new petal. And as I get into the center of this flower, I'm going to tilt my piping bag more straight up and down so that my flower petals stand up. And I'm just going to keep going around until I get to the very center, where here I'm just going to kind of go up and down in short little petals. Just up and down, no room for wiggling it too much. And then I'm going to fill the center with just some black spikes. Again, my icing is stiff and I'm going to touch down, squeeze some icing, and then pull up while still squeezing. And this will make some black spikes in the center of this royal icing flower. And then I'm going to set this aside to dry, and I'm going to let it dry completely. So I let it dry actually about overnight, although my icing was so stiff it didn't need that long. And then I'm just going to peel away the parchment paper, and because it was on a flower nail, it does have some icing on the back of the parchment that has dried and will crumble off. And then to attach it to my cookie, I'm just going to put a dot of royal icing and place it right down. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you had any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, hit that like and subscribe button. And also let me know in the comments what else you'd like to see. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.